Hello kids, welcome to Cartoon Champ Kids. Look here and look there. This is a ball. That is a car. Today we will learn the difference between this and that. We use this for things that are near. We use that for things that are far. Examples: this is a book. That is a tree. This is a pen. That is a house. This is a bag. That is a bus. This is a chair. That is a table. This is an apple. That is a mango. This is a dog. That is a cow. This is a toy. That is a kite. This is a flower. That is a mountain. This is my hand. That is the moon. Say with me. This is a pen. That is a car. Quiz time. Great job, kids. Now you know the difference between this and that. Keep learning and keep smiling. Thank you. Bye bye, kids.